GM guys, welcome to SMC Tutorials. In today's tutorial, we'll continue our series on how to navigate the SMC DAO app. And we're going to be learning how to claim the SMC app badge and Peniwallet badge on the SMC DAO app. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find our content helpful, you can support our channel by buying our educational token, WikiCat. WikiCat is built on the Binance Smart Chain network. The contract address will be in the description. Alright, so let's dive right into this tutorial. So in the SMC DAO community, right, badges are a meaningful way to recognize your participation and contributions. So whether you're referring a friend, or you're completing a quiz, or you're making a donation, or you're engaging, with the platform in any way, there's a badge for it. So in this video, I'll show you how to claim your SMC app badge and also your Peniwallet badge. So first step is to launch the SMC DAO app. Select it. Okay, so once here, you see down here that there is a number of tabs, right? Select profile. Alright, select my badges. Okay guys, so here you'll see that there are two sections. Here in the personal section, you see the badges that you have earned, like the badges that you have. While here in the community section, these are badges that are not yet earned, but then they are up for grab. Alright, so in this video, our emphasis is on these two badges, the SMC app badge and the Peniwallet badge. So if you have your SMC app downloaded and your account set up, right, you are qualified to claim the SMC app badge. If you also have your Peniwallet, app downloaded and your account set up, you are also qualified to claim the Peniwallet badge. So to claim the SMC app badge, select the badge and then select earn badge. Alright, so select claim badge. Alright guys, we have successfully claimed our SMC app badge. So we're going to go back to the personal section and see if we now have our SMC app badge there. Alright guys, you can see that we now have our SMC app badge. Right, so let's go back to community and claim our Peniwallet badge. Alright, select the Peniwallet, select N badge. Alright, so you'll have to provide your Peniwallet address. So we're going to go over to our Peniwallet to get our wallet address. Select receive WikiCat, copy our WikiCat address. Okay, paste address. Alright, so once your address is pasted, select claim badge. Alright, our Peniwallet badge has been successfully claimed. So we're going to go over to the personal section and we should see our Peniwallet here. So guys, is that easy? Very, very easy to claim your SMC app badge and your Peniwallet badge. Just ensure that you have these apps installed and your account set up on this app and you're eligible for the badges. Alright guys, so thank you for watching the tutorial video. If you have questions, please drop your questions in the comment section. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in another tutorial. Bye.